Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if your ear speaker or calling speaker is not working in your device Vivo Y35. So if you're facing any problem related to your ear speaker or calling speaker, you can fix them all by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we start those steps, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix any problem related to your ear speaker or calling speaker.